Connecting our youth with career tech programs is key to the success and growth of Lorain County JVS. At the JVS Excel Camp, students in 7th through 9th grades got an opportunity to see firsthand what it's like to explore and create in one of our 13 labs. Whether the student was building and constructing things like these birdhouses or programming manufacturing equipment in the Precision Machine Technology Lab, students were focused on getting familiar with the art of machining and creating products at the same time.
Today at Excel Camp, I did precision machining, and I just did kind of a tour of the workspace. I learned about different tools is one of the things I made on that machine right there.
I chose PMT so I can learn how to build things and learn new technology.
The excitement was flying high in this hallway as Excel campers maneuvered various techniques at the Engineering, Design, and Technology Lab.
It's just really nice that I can get to learn all these skills that I haven't learned before and get to experience what the school is like.
In auto technology, students were engaged in getting to know the ins and outs of changing oil, while collision repair campers had their focus on the distinct details of painting. Both groups were revved up and ready to learn. This activity had another focus, sports medicine, and they not only learned information about what goes on in the sports, health, and fitness technology program, but got a chance to practice some of the techniques associated with the field. Then there was culinary arts, where you could literally smell and almost taste the culinary creations coming from this lab. The colorful cosmetology lab was more than discussions about hairstyles. Students got a glimpse of how creative they could be at the same time. Excel Camp 2019 was a huge success as we introduced future students to the world of career tech education.